Welcome all of you. This is a text processor software. Using this software you can split and merge the files. So I have input files with me. I am simply loading the file via drag and drop. You can also load file from import files. We can also preview of text file on view content the file. You can also compare the files choosing a compare file option. In this scenario I am going to demonstrate how to separate and merge file. So first of all we take a look of merge file. Simply load the files. You can also choose an advanced option if you required, like only keep the header footer of first file, remove the header of all files, take the header of the first file and took how many lines consider as header, 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, or you can also add a header, your own header, custom header. You can also add a footer lines if you required. In this case I am not required. I am simply merge the file. You can choose here output file nomenclature, or you can choose the output directory here. In my case I have a output directory here, so simply I choose output data. This is auto clean option. You can override the files or you can change the output file extension to any if you required. Simply start the button. Here is my output folder which is empty. Start. File merged successfully. Yeah. You can check the output of the file by double clicking on it. You can see all files are merged together. I am deleting the output. I am going to demo of one keep header of the first file or remove file header will be removed. So this line consider as a header. This header will be removed. This header will be removed. So only keep the header of the first file. Then software keep only header of the first file. So start the process. I am choosing override the files. Starts. You can see here software remove the header. Deleting the output. Let's move to example of split of files. In split of file you can split the files in various kind of parameters, like a separate file by number of files, how many files you want to split in. By default is 5. Split by size MB, KB, GB. Split by number of files, number of lines. Split by specific string. It's a match case, whole word only. This is the padding of split file 0, or you want to choose auto. So in this case I am choosing here split the files three. So on the 3 file divide into 3, so you can get total 9 files. Output folder is empty. Simply start the process. You can see here total 9 files are separated. On the same way, you can choose any other option, separate by size of files or separate by number of lines. Hope this text processor software will helps you. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.